How to make images move in CapCut. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can make images move in CapCut. So let's dive in. First, open your CapCut app and then open any image on the project section. Like I have this image over here and I'm going to open it. And once you're on the image, now in order to make the image move, what you can do is just choose where you want to make the image move from. Just click it on the track and then click this keyframe on the starting point to move the image. And once you add the keyframe, just go ahead where you want to end, and on the ending point you have to just zoom the image as much as you want it to move, and then you have to just move a little bit ahead and add another keyframe by clicking this keyframe icon. And now if you can see, the image is going to move over here, and that's how you make the image move on CapCut. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.